Yeast extract, a natural seasoning ingredient. Yeast extract is a natural source for savory taste, which, as its name indicates, is derived from fresh yeast. Yeast is truly a natural and healthy all-rounder and has been used in our food for more than 4,000 years. You probably know it from making bread and beer. But what is yeast extract? How is it produced? And where does its taste come from? Yeast extract is an ingredient whose taste is beloved in foods all over the world. It provides depth to the taste of foods and is appreciated as it is 100% natural and vegan. As it originates from yeast, it provides the same variety of valuable amino acids, carbohydrates, vitamins, proteins, and minerals as yeast. Today, it's often used in modern cuisine, particularly in vegan, vegetarian, or low-salt cooking. The rich blend of its natural components does not only add taste, but also contains many valuable nutrients like vitamin B12 and proteins. The special taste of yeast extract reminds of meat bouillon. Both have a similar amino acid combination. Amino acids are building blocks of protein and occur in many foods as tomatoes, mushrooms, Parmesan cheese, meats and pulses. They all have in common a rich, savory taste created by their special mix of proteins and amino acids. How is yeast extract produced? Yeast extract is naturally produced of fresh yeast. First step, fermentation. Yeast gets nourished with sugar, and at a temperature of 30 degrees, it starts to grow in the way you know from baking at home. Second step, heating. Natural enzymes and a temperature of 40 degrees break down the yeast's proteins and the cell walls disintegrate. A taste-delivering liquid remains. Third step, separation. The resulting liquid is centrifuged to remove the remaining cell walls and insoluble leftovers. The valuable vitamins and proteins remain, preserved during the production process. You see, yeast extract basically contains all the natural components of yeast without the surrounding cell wall. Last step, drying. The yeast extract is concentrated and dried until it becomes a powder. What does it taste like? What is so special about yeast extract is the savory taste it provides to food. Like herbs and spices, it enriches the taste of many foods, sauces, soups, meat, and vegetarian dishes. Its characteristic and specific taste is called umami. It's known as the fifth taste alongside sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. The umami taste is a familiar and popular component of regional and traditional cuisine worldwide. It is present in culinary specialities such as seasoning pastes and sauces made from soy, fish, or other seafood, but also in a wide range of European dishes such as lasagna or a goulash with peas. And did you know, as a sandwich spread, yeast extract is one of the most beloved traditional foods in Great Britain. The British love their yeast extract paste spread in a thin layer on toast. Try it on your next trip to the UK.